Adam's supposed to be coming up with his truck today. We'll see if when he gets here. He's got a headlight out. Who's Adam? Not gonna happen?
I don't have enough room.
Yeah, I could see that. Too many cars in the bus turnaround for him to pull in. He's scaring the chickens. The homecoming.
Nice.
It's running.
We've got a bunk up top. Mom, move out of the way real quick. And a bunk on bottom.
You're up there, man.
Storage and everything.
That's so you can hang your clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you. This has got, oh, it's broken, but let's do paperwork. And then from that seat, you can actually reach over into the drawer. Underneath here, you got a spot for a microwave, or a refrigerator, microwave on top.
Very close.
Yeah. Up here, they have bar for hangers and bar for hangers in there. And then there, I have my clothes stacked.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
And this is for your heat and your air and stuff.
So
You could actually have 2 people in here.
This is amazing.
And push that lever down.
Yep.
Missy, are you enjoying?
Something. Wow. That's really big, more comfortable. He caught up the air. Yeah.